My expectation from this event and any of such events is to kind of come back home smarter and with more knowledge. And this event did exceed my expectations because I learned new stuff that will allow me to work better. Everything is really high quality, extreme seniority, a lot of CISOs. I think that's a kind of a simple difference, and of course extremely important difference from a lot of events that I've attended previously.
It's super seniority. I've been at multiple events over the last couple of years, but the amount of seniority is just out of this world. It's great. I had a good talk with the CISO of the World Health Organization, the CISO of Quantum and Lane Bakker in the Netherlands. I spoke with CISO of Airbus, so it was amazing. I think you did a very, very fine job on selecting the right people and selecting the right vendors. There's a lot of new technology here that you normally don't see, so that's great. The network is excellent. I haven't met such a big bunch of great CISOs over the last couple of years at a venue, so I would definitely recommend.
The staff was amazing, all my expectations exceeded. First of all, the quality of the people, the session, how it is well organized, the agenda and everything, so really above and beyond, well done. I like the panel that was talking about the connection between the CISOs and the board level, and people are very experienced also on the business side, on the leadership side, and not just in very technical days, and that was very insightful and very refreshing.
It's a great event, I really like it. The opportunity to meet people from different countries, sharing some kind of knowledge, expertise. This is the thing, sharing information, sharing passion related to the cyber and information security in general. This kind of social networking, I will love that.
I have met with so many people from different backgrounds and different countries, and they have so much expertise. When we are changing or exchanging our ideas, I was able to see that we have similar problems and trying to solve them. The attendees of the event were very carefully selected. This is the first thing. Only this C-level management of the companies are right now here. And these are the people who have expertise for, let's say, 20 years or 25 years, which means they have seen so many cases in different companies, in different situations. Finding this population, these people here, talking with them, learning from them, this is the most essential thing I was looking in that assembly.
I am quite impressed with the event of Millennium. The profile of people, the level of discussions, the level of questions, but also comments from the audience, so it's fairly engaging. The other aspect, which is obvious from the level of conversations and the dialogues, is their experience. The wisdom, experience, their involvement, engagement, with various aspects of the industry, whether they're vendors, whether they're previous vendors, developers, innovators. So obviously all those aspects of this dynamic environment of cybersecurity has been covered across all the sessions that I've attended today, and I've attended all of them.
Sponsorship part. Those people really want to show you what adds value to your company, and the difference from other events I found is that it's in an extremely professional manner, and actually they talk to you about stuff that you're really interested in.
The quality of the people, very senior people from all over the world. I think what is more unique in this event, that normally the small events are mostly very, very regional, while here people were flying over from the US, from within Europe. So it's really insightful to see the challenges are very global and very similar all over the globe.